what's left is pure as gold and will never break. We know what's at stake, eyes are wide awake. Yeah!
So why is this type of record interesting? Basically, it condenses all the hard work during 6-7 years. We put everything to the test.
Since I'm a mechanic from the beginning, I have a good understanding what needs to be checked before doing these kind of runs. Everything needs to be perfect. Tires, suspension,
The gearbox, the clutches, the engine, the aero, the wheels, the brakes. Maximum stress, because it is a big performance challenge in one very short period of time. There is no other test like this. That's what makes it exciting.
the Jesko, you feel everything. The RPM is way higher, it's just screaming. I can't really compare it to another streetcar driven. It's just another level. This type of scenarios I kind of dreamt about.
A new world record. We beat ourselves again, which has sort of become a thing for us.
To be able to step out of a car and just on a record, hugging my colleagues and so on, that's something you dream about.
We will keep on pushing every time, every year, raising the bar.